Hey gang, Vince here. Vince is Wood and Wonders. Hey, I want to take a moment and let you know that we've got one-way tool gouges now available and in stock. If you've used one-way tools before, you know what I'm talking about, which is a great steel, excellent edge life, and a very consistent performance. They're made out of M4 particle or powdered metal as opposed to M2. Comes to a very keen edge, gives you great tool life. These are available in 5/8, half-inch, 3/8 bowl gouge, and then a half-inch spindle gouge. Now, when I'm talking about these tools, I'm talking about the dual edge tools. And I really like these because you can put the exact same edge on both ends if you like, so that as you're using the tool, when one end becomes dull, simply flip it around, continue on with the other end if you like. It means more focused attention on the project and less time running back and forth to the grinder. By the same token, you can put two completely different grinds on this tool if you'd like as well. So either way, it works great. People have been using these for years. I'm a big fan. So I'll put a link in the description below for you to click on. If you have any questions, you know how to contact me. Vince at vinceswoodandwonders.com. Also, I'll put a link in for our new hones that we have, and we've got a real nice 2x6 hone, just great, as well as some of the smaller credit card hones that are available. So again, and lastly, if you have any interest in the one-way handles, let me know. Let me know in the description. They've got a short handle and more of a long handle. I think they're about 12 inches and 16 inches in length. I've used them for years. I really like the weight of these handles, and they're a comfortable handle in my hands. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for stopping into the shop, and I'll see you on the next video.